Una sa lahat,
Ayain niyo muna ang batiin ng ating mga bisita sa araw na ito. Sa pangunguna po ni Ms. Virgie Flores, the Senior Vice President and Chief Marketing Officer, St. Luke's Medical Center. Palakpakan po natin ulit. Nandito rin si Dr. Jean Chongco, Associate Director ng St. Luke's Medical Center. Doc, good morning. Miss Mary Joyce Cristobal, Associate Director ng St. Luke's Medical Center. Dr. Samantha Delgado, ma'am. Yung may mga mangingibig
ibig na puso,
si ma'am po ang sagot, she's a cardiologist, no?
Mr. Rico Mayan de Jesus,
No?
Dr. Ralph
Of course, nandito na. Sikat na sikat ito si Sir. Dr. Ralph Figueroa de las Alas, President and Co-Founder Urban Smiles Dental Clinic. Of course, yung ilang araw na namin kasama, si Sir Jordan Doclayan, Department Head. Of course, yung nag-iisang Congresswoman, representative ng ating butihing Regional Director, si Police Brigadier General Paul Kenneth Lucas, nandito sa atin. Kasama natin si Police Major Mylene Rodriguez. Health is wealth. Protect it, nurture it, and value it like your greatest asset. Habang lumilipas ang panahon at dumaraan tayo sa iba't ibang pagsubok bilang mga pulis, hindi maikakaila na nalampasan natin ang maraming panganib. But no matter how we survive the threats from criminals and overcome the challenges in our communities, from the very beginning, one thing we should never take for granted, our health. Bilang inyong ama,
naunawaan
ko ang bigat at panganib na ginugol ninyo sa inyong mga tungkulin. Ang mga oras, panahon at pagod na inyong ibinigay sa inyong serbisyo, hinaharap ang banta ng inyong mga trabaho habang pinapanatili ang kapayapaan at kaayusan para sa ating probinsya. But what is the value
our sacrifices.
if we neglect our own health? We have won so many battles, but true strength is not just about resilience. It is about taking care of ourselves. Ang ating kakayahang maglingkod, mamuno at magprotekta ay nagsisimula sa ating kalusugan. Ang isang malakas at malugsog na kapulisan ay siyang tunay na makapagbibigay ng pinakamahusay na serbisyo din sa probinsya ng Batangas.
Because of this
Program
program,
Fit to Serve are not just initiatives. They are a necessity. A physically and mentally fit police force ensures we can effectively perform our duties in keeping our communities safe. As we celebrate Women's Month, let us also recognize the critical role of women in policing. Women in uniform are more than just law enforcers. They are intelligence analysts, operations officers,
and they are essential figures in
security and public safety. Their presence in every aspect of policing is indispensable, bringing balance of strength, strategy, and compassion. It is only right that we honor and recognize their valuable contributions to the maintenance of peace and order.
women in Batangas PNP
are proof that true service knows no gender. It is about dedication, discipline, and the unwavering commitment to serve. So today, as we focus on being ready to serve, let us remember that true strength is not just about physical endurance, but also mental resilience and emotional fortitude. Bilang mga Batanggenyong pulis na may kikig at malasakit na kinig, hindi lang tayo tagapagpatupad ng batas. We are the role models of discipline, perseverance, and unwavering dedication.
Dapat natin bigyang prioridad
Ang ating mga kalusugan, hindi lamang para sa ating sarili, kundi ganon din sa mga taong umaasa sa atin, lalong-lalo na ang ating mga pamilya. Ganon din sa ating komunidad at sa ating mga
papapulis na
kasama natin sa pagganap ng araw-araw nating mga misyon. Patuloy tayo magtutulungan at magtataguyod,
sa isa't isa.
especially the women in our ranks who break barriers and prove that excellence
In service knows no gender. Let us carry the mindset forward, embodying not just strength in duty, but strength in body, mind, and spirit.
ang tunay na dedikadong pulis ay marunong makinig, umangkop at mamut
Mamuno ng may integridad
dahil ang tunay na serbisyo ay nagsisimula
sa isang maayos at malusog na pag-iisip at pagkakatawa. A strong police force is a healthy police force. Muli ang aming patuloy na panalangin para sa buong kapulisan ng Batangas. Happy Women's Month po! Mabuhay ang St. Luke's Medical Center at mabuhay ang Batanggenyo Police.
Ang gusto ng pulis,